Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you 6 easy and simple steps to master double tops and double bottoms. So let's get started. Step 1. We want the price to be in the overbought for the double tops, in the overbought territory of the RSI. So let's play this example. We got our price in the overbought territory. Okay, so step 2. We want a 2 candle rejection to furthermore have some type of U-shape pattern. The 2 candle rejection, we got it right here, although they are very small. So step 3, we're gonna chart a channel between the highest close of this candle, the candle before the rejection, and the highest wick. That is step 3. Now we're waiting for step 4. Okay, step 4 is some type of rejection candle like this. Okay, or a close in the channel, or a wick but closing below or in the channel, but we can't accept a close above the channel. That would invalidate our trade. So let's get back. And remember, we don't want a close above that trade, that channel. And in fact, we got a close above it. So this is an invalid trade and we're not gonna enter it. But we are still searching for the same things. So again, we are still in the overbought area and we want step 2, a 2 candle rejection or more. So we got that 2 or more candle rejection, which is step 2, and we're gonna move to step 3, charting out this channel. For step 4, the retest candle, which happened here. This is the retest candle. So step 5 now, we want a close below that candle. And the close happened here on the second red candle. So we can enter a short trade here. And step 6, and this is the last step, we want the stop loss to be 1 ATR, which is here, this indicator at the bottom left corner. 1 ATR from the entry candle, okay, which has the value of 1056. So let's input that 1056, and you can see the values here. 1 ATR above the highest wick, and the high here is 45825. So 45825, and we have a stop loss of 46,881. Sorry, 46,881. That is our stop loss with a profit target of 1 to 1.5 risk reward. In case you don't know what I'm talking, this is the risk reward ratio, 1 to 1.5. In this case, it's 1.51. So let's play the replay button and see if we are profitable or not. Okay, here, as you can see, we hit our take profit target. So we're gonna move to another example. This is the second example here. Again, now I'm going a little bit faster. Again, we want a price in the overbought area and we want a 2 candle rejection, which right now we didn't have. But we got it here on these 2 candles. Let me zoom in. We got this 2 candle rejection. So step 3 is charting the channel. Step 4 is a retest of that channel, which we got here on this blue candle. So we want a close below it, which we got on this candle. So here we're gonna put our short trade and 1 ATR, which is 772 above the highest wick here. So 772 the ATR plus the highest wick, which is 52081, and gives us our stop loss which was 52,853, with a profit target of 1 to 1.5. Okay, so let's hit the replay button. And as you can see, we hit our target again. The third and final example for double tops. We're gonna find a price that is in the overbought area. We're gonna wait for a 2-candle rejection. So right now we can chart our channel, although it is very small. Like this, we can just put a line. And we're gonna wait for the retest candle, which was this candle, but not close above it. So the next step is a close below this candle, which happened here. So we're gonna enter a short trade and one ATR, which is 1449 plus the highest wick, which is 69,023. This is our stop loss. With a 1.5 profit target. Okay, so let's hit our replay button. And as you can see here, we hit our take profit. So now we're gonna move to the double tops, which are the exact type of trade, but the mirror image of it, the opposite. So we're gonna search for a price in the oversold, this time in the oversold area. Let me speed up the speed. Okay, so we got our candle in the oversold area. Step 2, we want a pullback in the support area, 2 candles minimum. So we are charting again the channel, which is step 3. This time the channel is a little bit big. Step 4, we want a close, a retest of that channel, but not closing below the channel. Okay, so the retest happened here the first time. So we're gonna take that as our candle, which we want a close above it. So right now we're still below it, and we closed above it at this candle. So we're gonna take that as an entry candle for a long position. 1 ATR of that candle, which is 1277 minus the lowest wick. Lowest wick is 39,564 minus, let me get it again, 1277. So our stop loss is 38,287. That is our stop loss with a profit target of 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Like that, and we hit the play button. And we hit our target here. Moving to the last example for this tutorial. Again, we want an oversold area in the RSI, which we got here. And we want a 2 candle or more as hitting the support and bouncing from it. So we're gonna move to step 3, which is charting the line. And as you can see, we got a close below that channel, so this trade is invalid, but we're gonna still search for that entry because we are still in the oversold territory. So let's move again. So we got another bounce from the oversold territory with a 2 or more candles. So we're gonna chart the line again, and we're gonna wait a retest of this channel but not closing below it. So our retest happened here, so this is our retest candle, and we're gonna wait a close above it. That happened here, so this is our long entry candle. 180 ATR of this candle is 1284, and below the lowest wick. So 28801 minus 1284, let me check that again, 1284, yes, is our stop loss, 27517. Okay, that is our stop loss with a profit target of 1 to 1.5. Let's hit the play button. And as you can see right now, we exactly hit our target before, and this is another good example, before making another double top and reversing the trend. So we got our channel here, and we exactly close in that channel, not above it. We got our entry candle here, and the reason for this entry also we can take in consideration that we get a bearish divergence on the RSI. So basically the RSI with this bearish divergence is showing us that the buying pressure is reduced and we are due to some type of correction or sideways action. So the RSI indicator with bearish divergence or bullish divergence in the double bottom with double tops are a perfect combination to have a successful trade. And another pro tip, and this is the last one, always check double bottoms in an uptrend. Okay, so if the daily time frame is going in an uptrend, on the lower time frames, 4 hour or 1 hour, always trade double bottoms and going up. Do not try double tops because there is a less probability that you will be success. I think everyone have heard of the saying, the trend is your friend, so stick with it. And for the double tops, on the opposite, you can trade them when the daily time frame is in a bearish state. Okay, so that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.